Hey, Jim again from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Got a Lehigh Valley VO-1000, 138, and it's an original post-World War II paint scheme with Tsunami sound. So just take a quick look at this guy. All the louvers are highlighted and, you know, the normal stuff I do. I think it turned out really nice. So. Again, like I was trying to point out on some of my other models, the point of weathering isn't just to make it dirtier, it's to make it better looking, it's to enhance the features of the model. And there you can see all of the door handles and all those hinges just start popping out at you once you get it weathered. And then when you do the louvers, and even that angle's bad, let me try to drop this down. The photographs will bear this out better, but like with the louvers, in reality, they don't look just all solid like that. If you look at the photographs, they're all highlighted just like you would see like a normal louver look. And now all that detail that the manufacturer went through to painstakingly went through to cast in a resin model, you can see now with that weathering. That's why a good weathering job is just really important for a model, not just to make it look weathered or beaten or realistic, but to bring out all that extra detail. It actually really enhances the model, but you have to do it right. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys, and I just keep putting out models. So, talk to you later. Bye.